Hi friends, this is Veda Academy. In this video, we are seeing continuously the BO exam max previous year questions. Now the next one, how many zeros are there in 100 power? 100 power 10. So this is the question. Both numbers are ending with zero number. So that how many zeros are there in 100 power 10? So here we know that for 100 power 1, what is 100 power 1 is nothing but 100. For this, how many zeros? The number of zeros is 2. We know that. In the same way, if you are seeing 100 power 2, if you are writing, so what will come? 100 into 100. So that is nothing but 10,000. We have to, we will get like this. So in this, how many zeros are there? 4. 4 zeros are there. How to get this 40? Here, the number of 0 is 2. Number of zeros only 2 into the power number. 2 into 1 is 2. We will get the answer. In the same way, here the number of zeros is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and power 2. 4 number of 0. Here only. Here number of zeros is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. So in the same way, 100 cube also we can discuss. 100 cube. How many zeros will come? 100 into 100 into 100. So that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros will come. How to get it? Here the number of zeros is 2. Power 2 and this power is 3. This multiply these two. So the 2 into 3 is 6 zeros. So that 6 zeros we are getting. No. In the same way, we have to discuss like this. Here the number of zeros is 2 into the power is 10. 2 into 10 is what? 20. So the number of zeros are there. So 100 power 10 is 20 is the best answer. So in this, 20 is the best answer. Okay. Come to the next one. A can finish a job in 3 days, whereas B finish it in 6 days. The time taken to complete the job together is together. So both are doing the same work together. So here the information is A can finish a job in 3 days. What is A's 1 day's work is? What is A's 1 day's work? It should be 1 by 3. This is for A. For the B's 1 day's work, we can write as 1 by 6 because finish it in 6 days. So if they are doing the work together, what may be the 1 day's work for together work? So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 will come. If you simplify, 6 plus 3 is 9 by 6 3s are 18. If you are simplify, 2 1 by 2 will come. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? 2 will come. So the 2 is the answer. So how many days if they are doing the work together? In 2 days they will complete the work. So the first A option is the best option. Okay, come to the next question. The number of conversion period if the interest on a principal is compounded every 2 months is. So the conversion period is period means we know that for a year 12 months are there. So if normally we are using per year wise only. So there is for in some of the questions 6 months period. So the 6 months period means 12 months. 12 months for a single year 12 months. 6 months means 2 6 months are there, 2 conversion period. So in the same way, if you are using 2 months as a 1 period, so in this how many 2s are there in 6? 12 in 12 by 2 is equal to 6 conversion period. So that for this answer, for this question, the number of conversion period is 6 is the best answer. Okay, come to the next question. There are 50 students in a class. If the 14% are absent on a particular day, find the number of students present on the day. The number of students present only they are asking, but the absent percentage is given. First we have to find out how many students are absent on the particular day. So so the total number of students is 50 into 14 by 100 will come because 14%. So they cancel. What will come? 5 and 2 will come. 14 by 2 is 7. So the 7 students are absent on a particular day. Total number of students is 50. So that the number of students who are present is 50 minus 7. We have to find. So 50 minus 7 is 43. So A is the best answer. Okay. Come to the next one. The sum of the number and its half is 30, then the number. So the sum of the number, take x as one number and its half is x by 2. Okay, so the sum and its half is 30 is given. So we form the equation using the given information. So that after that solve it, 2x plus x is 3x by 2 is equal to 30. So 3x by 2. So 3x is equal to 30 into 2 is equal to 60 will come. X is equal to 60 by 3. So 20 will come. So the number, sum of the number and its half, then what is the number is 20 is the best answer. Okay. Come to the next question. How many squares are there in the following figure? How many squares they are asking? By seeing that so many squares are there, just we have to count it. This 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The middle this one 5 and 6 will come, and 7, 8, 9, 10. So that there are 10 squares are there in this in the figure. So therefore totally 10 squares are there. That is the correct answer. Okay. Next one, the representations of one picture to many object in a pictograph. One picture to many object in a pictograph. Normally in the school days, we know that to represent many objects, for example, 60 children. So what we have to use in the pictograph category, we have to use the one boy or girl, one student picture as for 10 students. One picture represents 10 students. So that for 60 students, we have to represent the 60, the symbol like this. We have to use like this. Correct? No? So in the same way, this is called the scaling method in the pictograph category. This is the graphical part. Okay. So the scaling, in Tamil it is alavididal. Okay. So next one, the LCM of two co-prime numbers is 5005. So the co-prime number category, the properties of the co-prime number already we discussed, I think. The co-prime numbers are numbers that have only one common factors, namely 1. Okay, so they have only one common factor. So what is given? The LCM of two co-prime numbers is given. So LCM is 5005. And so we know that the co-prime numbers have the only one is common. Therefore, the HCF is 1. We know that. So that LCM into HCF is equal to A and B. That is the product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. This is the main property of the LCM and HCF. Under this will come. So that LCM is given as 50. So that I used the HCF is the co-prime number. HCF is always 1 because that is the common factor. And one of the number is given as 65. Another number we have to find, take it as X. So they are asking to find out the other number only. So this property only we have to use. That is LCM into HCF is equal to the product of two numbers, A into B, as the two numbers. If you are taking A and B are two numbers, in the product of two numbers is equal to LCM, the product of LCM and HCF. This is like a formula. Okay, so that I used like this. So therefore, the unknown number X only we have to find. So that 5005 divided by 65. If you are simplifying, that is the another number will come. If you are simplifying, definitely you will get the correct answer. So for this answer is 77. Okay. So now come to the next question. 240, 2 power 40 plus 2 power 40 is equal to. What is 2 power 40? So the both numbers are same. So therefore you have to take this 2 power 40 as the common number. So inside already we took it as common, so that 1 will be there. And this also, so 1 plus 1. So 2 into, this can be written as 2 into 2 power 40. Here for 2 is power is 1. So 2 power, here a power x plus a power y. So a power x plus y, that property. So 1 plus 40, 2 power 41 will come. Okay, so this is the method to solve. So using the power property, we can solve it easily. So next one, the higher limit, okay, So we will discuss the remaining questions later. I solved the batch 2 questions also in the BO exam max previous year questions. Batch 1 and batch 2 questions I solved up to this, and I will put the videos for the batch 3 in the next video. If you have any doubt regarding this competitive exam questions, then you can ask me. Thank you.